Well, hello happy bees. In this wee video we're going to make some fondant gnomes, perfect for Christmas. We're going to start out by making the legs. So we're going to roll out a piece of modelling paste in a flesh colour. I also should have said I'm using some templates to make this little guy. I'll put a link in the description below for the Happy Bee cake topper templates if you want to grab those. Now we're going to place some wire down the centre of these wee legs. Because they're so skinny, this is going to act as a bit of support. We're going to create a little fur trim for the bottom of the legs. And then you're going to use 2 oval pieces of fondant for the main part of the boots. I'm using some embroidery scissors here to create the furry effect. But you'll find links in the description below for everything that I'm using to create this cake topper. Place your legs together and give them a little squeeze at the top. So next we're going to get on to making our little gnome's dress. You're going to roll a piece of modelling paste into a teardrop shape. And you're going to push the bottom down on your surface and press it down with your hand. And again, I'm using the wee template here just to get the shape right. Now I'm going to give the little dress some details, so we're going to create some little buttons. And a wee trim around the bottom. Now I thought since this is a girl, Gnome would be nice to give her some pigtails. So you're going to roll out a piece of your fondant into a long teardrop shape. And then I'm going to use this sort of knife tool, I'm not sure what this is called, but you're just going to push down on this and create some indentations. I'm using my nails to make an indentation in the middle of the pigtail. We're going to place that onto the body. Do the same with the other one. Create some bows for your pigtails by cutting out 2 rectangles of fondant and using your knife to carve in a little bow shape. Place those onto your pigtail where you've made that indentation with your fingers. And place your body on top of the legs, and once you're happy with the position, insert a cocktail stick. So to create a hat for your little gnome, we're going to roll out a long teardrop shaped piece of fondant. I'm just placing that on top of my template to get it the size right. Use a ball tool to create a small hole in the bottom of your hat. And now I'm going to use the bottom of my paintbrush here to create a little indentation. This is going to be where the nose is going to go. Then fold the top part of your hat over. And you can do whatever you want now at this stage. I'm just painting on some details. And we're going to make a pom-pom, so I've inserted a little bit of wire to support our pom-pom. Get in with some edible dust here just to give a little bit more dimension to your pom-pom. And once you're happy with all your hat details, you're going to place that on top of the body. And use a little oval piece of modelling paste to create a nose and place that on the front. Now to create a little guy version of this, you're going to use the same body and you're going to roll out a lot of teardrop pieces of fondant, kind of like the way we done the pigtails, only you're going to just use this as a beard. From the legs and the body exactly the same way, and we're going to make him a different hat here. So his hat's going to bend over, and instead of a pom-pom we're going to give him some stripes and a little star. Now if you want to give your little gnome some eyes, all you would need to do is place a little bit of your flesh fondant on top of the body and place some little eyes peeking through. Click that video on your screen now to see more videos just like this one, and I'll see you over there. Bye guys!